I wanted to create some containers that I could put a small gift in, but that would also be reusable around the house for other things and could be a cute like decor piece. So I'm going to use these Dollar Tree mini crates and we're going to make some cute little containers. So to start out, I'm going to paint the inside of my container. So for this one, I used pink Parfait, and then for the other one, I'm going to use white. For the second one, I'll paint the inside and the outside of it. So for the one I put the pink paint on, we're going to use some lightweight spackling and give a fake whipped cream look to it. So I'm going to be using a 2D piping tip, and then I'm just going to push the piping tip down and then just score below where the openings are, and then I can cut the bag right there, push my tip through, and then I'm going to fill this with the spackling. So I'm going to go one side at a time here because this spackling will dry up kind of fast and I'll lose my opportunity to put any little decorations on. So for this one, I'm going to use these foam beads from Dollar Tree. Those are going to be my sprinkles. And then I have fake conversation hearts that I got on Amazon. And then I have these little gummy heart candies. So I have all my supplies ready so I can put them on right away. And I'm just going to hold this from the inside. It'll make it easier not to mess anything up. So I'm just going to pipe kind of like little dollops. And then I'm going to turn it around so I know how I'm putting my things on. I want to make sure, see how some of that's going over the edge. I don't want this to not be able to sit down. So I'm going to kind of push that up so that it can sit flat when it's dry. And then I'm just going to put my sprinkles on first. And then I'm just pressing them in to make sure they're gonna stick. And just press your conversation hearts in. And then I'm gonna add some of these too. And then I'm just gonna go all the way around and decorate each side one at a time. You'll wanna let it dry for a few days. I absolutely love how cute this turned out. So the next one we're gonna do a little bit differently. We're gonna do a fake drizzle on it. So I'm gonna put some caulk into a small cup here. And then I wanna make my drizzle pink. So I'm gonna use my pink Parfait again. And then I'm gonna add some gloss Mod Podge. There's not really like a set amount for this. The more paint and Mod Podge you add, the thinner it's gonna be and the more drippy it's gonna be. So just make sure you mix this really well and get all the clumps out and all the streaks out. Okay, so again, I need to get my plan together for this one. So I'm gonna again use foam beads. These are like glittery red ones. So I'm gonna use those as some sprinkles. And then I have these little heart-shaped sprinkles. These are fake, made out of clay, so I'm going to use some of those as well. So I have these little hearts. They're buttons from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to snip this little thing right off of there, and then I can stick it in to my caulk mixture. And I have the same thing in red. So I'm going to put my caulk mixture into a piping bag. You can also use a sandwich bag, but it'll give a little less control. I'm going to snip a tip off of my piping bag, and then you can determine how much drizzle you want to start with at the top. So I'm going to put a line and then I'll see what I want to do from there. I think I'll make this whole first one just solid, and then I'm going to start putting drips of different lengths. And then I want to kind of connect these drippy parts so that it looks realistic. And you can add more drips if you want, little ones in between. Depending the thickness of your caulk, you may or may not have to do this, but I'm just gonna kind of smooth things down because mine is a little bit rough looking. I'm just using a popsicle stick and just smoothing. And then I'm gonna put my little sprinkles on. And then I'm gonna place my little hearts. I feel like it needs one more thing, so I'm gonna add this little candy heart. I got this in this set. It's a bunch of different candy cabochons. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick that one on too. I think that turned out so sweet. So I'm just gonna do the front of this one, assuming that somebody would display it with the back facing toward a wall or something. But if you wanted to do all the sides like we did on the fake whipped cream one, you can definitely do that too. These are so adorable, and they're perfect to put like Hershey Kisses or some Valentine candy, or you could even fill it with a little nail kit, or you could put in like some tea bags and stirrers, like a little tea set or coffee set with some coffee pods and stirrers and things like that, creamers. These would be super cute to display on a coffee bar too. Even if you don't want to make it for someone else, you can make it for yourself, and it would be super adorable. Be sure to check out my other Valentine craft tutorials, and thank you so much for watching today and crafting with me, and I'll see you in the next video.